Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you transform an object, you can scale, resize, skew, or otherwise adjust the boundaries of the selected object. There are many things that can be transformed, like selected layers, selections, and shapes. So to first apply a transformation, you will need to have the object that you want to transform selected. Then you can apply an individual transformation by using the commands that are listed in the side menu that appears when you select Image from the menu bar and then roll down to the Transform command. You can select Skew, which allows you to horizontally and vertically slant the object. Distort, which allows you to warp an object in any direction by stretching or shrinking it. Or Perspective, which allows you to change the perspective you appear to have in regards to the object. Changing the perspective can come in handy when you shoot an image from below, for example, but want to then distort the image to make it look like you took the picture from head on. However, if you want to apply multiple transformations, you may find it easier to choose Image, then Transform, then the Free Transform command from the menu bar. This command allows you to perform all of those transformations in one tool instead of having to perform multiple transformations individually. When you transform a bitmap image, pixels are often added so that the image becomes less sharp with each individual transformation. You can use the Free Transform command to apply multiple transformations at once and avoid losing sharpness in bitmap images that you are transforming. When you select the Free Transform command, you will see the bounding box surrounding the selected object. Note the small circle or crosshair that appears in the middle of the bounding box. This is the reference point around which the transformations will occur. If you want to change the given center for the transformation effect, you can choose one of the small circles that appear in the Reference Point Location button within the Tool Options bar to set that point. You can scale the image by changing the width and height as percentages in the text boxes provided in this area. If you check the Constraint Proportions checkbox in the Tool Options bar and then change either the width or the height, the other aspect will change to keep the current proportions. Also, to the right of that, you can change the angle of the image by clicking into the angle circle, or by simply entering a value into the text box just below that circle. Note that you can distort the object freely by simply holding down the Control key on your keyboard and then clicking and dragging one of the selection handles. To skew an object, you can hold down Control and Shift on your keyboard and then click and drag with the mouse on one of the handles that appears at the side of the object's bounding border to skew the object. You can change the perspective by holding down Control, Alt, and Shift on your keyboard, and then clicking and dragging by one of the corner selection handles. If you want to move the selected object, place your mouse inside of the bounding border over the object and click and drag with the mouse to move it to a new location. When you're finished making whatever transformations you want to the selected image or layer, you can just click the Confirm checkbox that appears, or you can click the Cancel button if you want to start over.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.